keep your clients engaged and excited during the home buying process? It all starts with being intentional and setting up tasks within your CRM. First, make sure you're scheduling weekly phone calls with your hot pre approvals, the clients that are actively moving through the pre approval process. Then, build in text messages. Texting has a 98% open rate, and people typically respond within 90 seconds, compared to an average of 90 minutes for an email response. Videos are another great tool. They create a strong emotional connection and provide a more personalized touch. You could set up a 7-day trigger after the Mortgage Solutions presentation to send a pre recorded video thanking them for choosing you and asking if they have any questions since your last conversation. You can even include a link to your scheduling service so that they can easily book a follow up chat if needed. You want to be sending out value add content at least once a month, so consider creating a video series on educational topics that include a call to action and a downloadable resource. Small surprises can also make a big difference. Celebrate milestones like birthdays, anniversaries, and other big life events with cards or gifts. Consider hosting home purchase workshops and client appreciation events. Get creative and try to think of ways that you can replace traditional print marketing with moments of real human connection. The goal is to maximize every interaction in order to deepen your connection with your clients and build relationships that last a lifetime.